In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L121 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment program, we suggest you to disable all of your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. In here, I already disabled Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection. This is to prevent the antivirus deleted the resetter file because mistake detection. After you disable all of your antivirus for a while, you can get this resetter. The link is on pinned comment. After you get the files, you can just right click and choose extract here. In here, I'm using WinRAR application. Then open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. After that, you need to select the model name into 121 printer, okay, and then click OK. For port, you can leave it by auto selection. After that, you can click particular adjustment mode button here, and in here select was inkpad counter and click OK. You can tick on main pad counter option in here. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialization button. If you encounter an error here, you can repeat the resetting process, and don't forget to check your printer is on and connected into your Windows operating system. After the resetter works, you can close the resetter programs and you can turn off your printer. After you turn off your printer, you can turn back on your printer again. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L121 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Don't forget you can get this resetter in pinned comments. Hope this video helpful for you.